The Maid of the Mist is one of the most famous attractions at Niagara Falls, but many travelers wonder the same thing before buying a ticket. Is this boat tour actually worth it? The short answer is yes, especially if it is your first time visiting Niagara Falls. The reason this experience stands out is simple. You get closer to the waterfalls than almost any other viewpoint allows. The boat travels into the basin of the falls, where you can see the massive walls of water rising around you and feel the power of the current. The tour begins near the American Falls, before moving toward the Horseshoe Falls, the largest and most dramatic section of Niagara. This is the moment many visitors remember, because the sound, mist, and scale of the falls are completely different from seeing them from land. The ride itself is relatively short, but the experience feels much bigger because of the environment around you. One thing to know before going, you will get wet. The blue poncho helps, but your shoes and lower clothing may still get some spray. Wearing comfortable waterproof shoes is a smart choice. The best time to ride depends on your preference. Morning trips usually have fewer crowds, while afternoon rides often provide better sunlight for photos. During peak summer months, lines can become longer, so arriving early is recommended. Families, couples, and first-time visitors usually consider this one of the highlights of Niagara Falls. However, if you dislike crowds or being close to water, you may prefer viewing the falls from observation areas instead. If you're planning your Niagara Falls visit, I've included some useful resources below to compare tickets, hotels, and other attractions. So, is Maid of the Mist worth it? For most travelers, absolutely. Photos can show the beauty of Niagara Falls, but being surrounded by the sound and mist of the water is something you can only experience in person.